Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson with AI. And this video is all about how to use ChatGPT to write a detailed marketing plan for your business. Now, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to jump right into it. And I got to refresh. I was doing some testing, but this is going to be all live. And let's see what happens here. ChatGPT is still in development, so it does have some outages from time to time. So let's start with continuing the example that was published, how to use ChatGPT to write a business plan. So make sure you check out this video because this is the example that I'm continuing. We talked about how to start a food truck in that video. So I'm going to continue that for consistency, but I want you to know you can use any business with these tips. All right. So I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, can you write a marketing plan for a food truck that specializes in fresh made sandwiches and is known for its famous garlic cheese French fries. All right. Don't you want some garlic cheese French fries? Post in the comments if you would try some of those. I don't know why I can't spell sandwiches. So the prompt, the request that I'm sending to ChatGPT is, can you write a marketing plan for a food truck that specializes in fresh made sandwiches and is known for its famous garlic cheese French fries? Can you do that? ChatGPT. The robot answers, sure. Here is a brief outline for a marketing plan. Emphasis. The robot definitely sounds that way when it speaks. And so you can see the information. And this is incredible when you compare to how you would have had to do this in the past. Even with Google, you would have been combing through tons of pages, reading blog articles, trying to get rid of pop-ups and dealing with ads, and you would have not really had all of the information in one place. But look at what you got. You got 6 tips for your marketing plan. All right. And it even makes sure you understand this is a marketing plan for a food truck that specializes in fresh made sandwiches and is famous for its garlic cheese fries. Okay, so it says to identify your target market. Who is most likely to visit your food truck and buy your sandwiches? Consider factors such as location, age, income level, and food preference. We're going to dig into this step first. It says to develop your brand identity. And it says to, number 3, determine your marketing channels. Number 4, create a content marketing strategy. Number 5, set marketing goals and budgets. Number 6, implement and track your marketing plan. Now, with this video, I want to show you how you can use this tool to create a detailed plan. So right now you have pretty much an overview and a summary, and I'm going to show you what to do to get the details. So the first thing you need to do is let's drill down a little bit more in step 1. Identify your target market. So I can say the target market is, let's just say, adults between the ages of 18 and 81 who live in the Miami, Florida area, and let's see, location, age, income level, and food preference, and enjoy eating American food. Okay, these are people who enjoy eating American food, and they're between the age of 18 and 81, and they live in Miami. All right. Age, income level. Okay, let's put income level. 18 to 81. All right. They earn, let's say, over $60,000. Let's just say 60K, and live in the Miami, Florida area and enjoy eating American food. All right, so let's see how it adjusts our marketing plan once we've given it some more details about what we're facing. Okay, so I tell it that information, and it says, great, thanks for the additional information about your target market. Here are some specific ideas for marketing your food truck to adults in the Miami area who earn over 60K and enjoy American food. So now you see how I'm drilling down into each section. It's talking about using social media. Oh, it looks like we got an error here. And it says, okay. Looks like we got an error here. Okay, so let's see if we can refresh. Okay, here it is. Okay. We're running into some errors here. So why don't we let's refresh. Okay. All right, I may have to just refresh. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to just refresh. You may have to do this at times because of the high use. So I'm just going to paste the original prompt and get the marketing plan and then drill into it again. All right. So it's giving me the marketing plan. Now you will notice if you run the same prompt, you may get slightly different results, which is very interesting. That'll give you a little bit more detailed information to use. So I recommend you definitely do that. Reword your prompts a couple different ways and you'll get slightly different results. So now you can see we already discussed the high level, but I'm going to again adjust the target market. I'm going to say the target market is adults aged 18 to 81, earning over $60,000. Okay. And let's see what it says. Age, gender. Okay, gender. Okay, the target market, okay, is adults. I'm going to say men and women. Okay, age 18 to 81, earning over $60,000, who live in the Miami, Florida area and are interested in professional sports. All right. So that's a little bit of demographic information right here. Let's see if it will update and give me more details of my marketing plan. I know a lot of people are using you right now, ChatGPT, but I'm the most important person. Isn't that correct? So here we get the results. It says, now that we have a clear target market, here are some specific marketing tactics that you can use to reach and appeal to this audience. Now, notice that it tells you that these are specific tactics. That's the point of this video, is how you could get a detailed marketing plan. And I want to give you the approach so that you can use it over and over again to get even more detailed. We'll use the exact same process over and over again on each subsection of the plan. This is the key. And as you do this, you'll have an outstanding working marketing plan that you can use if you are trying to pursue funding for your business. Maybe you're going through the process of getting an SBA loan for your business and you need to have all of your paperwork, all of the business plan paperwork together to get it approved. And I guarantee you, once you get everything worked out, you're going to be very confident. You're going to have an excellent plan that will impress the powers that be approving your loan. So now it's saying use social media to reach sports fans. It even tells you that Miami is home to several professional sports teams, including the Miami Heat, the Dolphins, and the Florida Panthers. It says use social media to connect with fans of these teams and promote your food truck at games and events. All right, here's some other tips. I'm not going to read everything here, but it says partner with local sports venues. Create sports-themed menu items. These are excellent ideas. Use email marketing to reach high-income earners. Now, this step, you're going to need a little bit more information. So I'll go over here. Let me give you the rest of the steps first. It says utilize local media to get coverage and participate in food truck festivals. But what I want to do is I want to drill down into how to use email marketing to reach high income earners. This is just with the marketing plan. We will go into email writing a little bit later. That's one of the topics that I'm definitely going to cover. But I just want to show you how to get extremely granular in your detail for when you put together your marketing plan. So what I want to do is I want to say, can you provide examples for email marketing to reach high income earners? See how easy or how simple that is? All right. Can you do that, robot? That'd be nice to your robot. That way Skynet is nice to you when it comes online. So boom, the robot tells you here are a few examples of email marketing campaigns you can use to reach high income earners. It gives you a VIP program. Consider creating a VIP program for your food truck. Number 2, limited time offers. Use email marketing to promote limited time offers such as a special sandwich or a discount on garlic cheese fries. Special events. If you are hosting a special event such as a tasting menu or a live music performance, use email marketing to promote it to your high income subscribers and newsletters. So as you can see, this process can continue. I can go further. I can say, can you provide examples of how the VIP program could work? Right? Certainly. And it'll continue. So again, this is how to use ChatGPT to get very detailed results. It's given me beyond more ideas than I could have ever dreamed of thinking of in this short amount of time. And not only that, the tips that it's providing are incredibly useful. Just look at what it's giving. It's saying discount. Offer VIP members a discount on all menu items or a certain percentage off their total purchase. Exclusive menu items. Would you have thought about this? Exclusive menu items. Create special menu items that are only available to VIP members. So a VIP sandwich or a VIP platter. Priority service. Give VIP members priority service. Private events. Host private events such as tasting or cooking classes exclusively for your VIP members. And then it says special perks. Consider offering additional perks such as free drinks or desserts with their purchases or a gift on their birthday. So this just shows you what you can do, the power of ChatGPT. I'm going to continue to document these examples at howwhy.ai. Make sure you go over to howwhy.ai and subscribe. It's all about how to grow your business with AI. I will be posting links to all of the guides covering all of the sections in detail so that you can take advantage of this powerful tool, and make sure you sign up so you'll get the free reports, the 12 businesses to start with AI today, and the 31 AI apps to use in your business now. I'm going to be sending that report to you as soon as I finally finish it. But you'll also get my email address when you subscribe, so you can ask me any questions and I will respond to you. At this point in time, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you share this with your close friends and relatives and roommates and neighbors. Until the next time, peace.